Yeah, y'all already know this from my boy Just Joe. I Magic John B. Juwan Hamilton, all them fly ass niggas out there heard. I'm about to spit a freestyle for him real quick. Cause I haven't done one in a minute, just to be honest with y'all. Fresh off an injury, nigga. Beat the chain up. Niggas about to get paid out of it. I ain't even being ignorant either. I'm about to do this though, heard? This shit got to fly and I'm coming for a landing. In the black Jeep with the top piece abandoned. These niggas too dramatic cause these bitches too demanding. These niggas so old, no go like Brandon. My ex be doing her, but I'm learning to accept it. She probably want me back, but that hoe gon' get rejected. But nigga, that's the limit cause the women I respect it. And I live it to the fullest cause this life is getting hectic. The blunt lasts long when I roll it in a double. Give me Cali Kush and y'all niggas in some trouble. I am really hood, nigga. I am really good. Making something out of nothing cause we living in the struggle. But yeah, I'm just steady getting mine. Murder on the track, nigga. I commit the crime. Jaw dropping holes, some of those is mighty fine. Patron all froze with a little bit of lime. Keep up with progression, nigga, y'all already know. Said I'm young and then I do it, nigga, that just goes to show. Man, bitches doing something, man, ain't really know. And a nigga learn his lesson, never settle for a hoe. Man, body got it going, but her booty going down. Man, that's probably why these other niggas always going ham. I just killed another beat, I just sold another gram. I am ballin' to the death, bitches, this is who I am. Then I bring it to the pad, watch it drop it like it's hot. And I pride myself a lot, cause I'm everything you not. And I'm leaving rappers broke, taking everything they got. Stupid nigga better hope I don't put you on the spot. Man, this big thing shit, I ain't tryna play the crib. Man, this music is my life, nigga, this is how I live. In this lower east side, yeah, I know your shorty dick. Man, it's pedophile denied, you ain't fucking with the good, man. Shit is real, know the drill, do me though. Tell her throw it back, cause that ass is looking neato. First president that y'all niggas couldn't veto. Y'all niggas K, I'm a superficial G though. Yeah, but tell me who is you? Ain't a single nigga poppin', man, as hot as nigga Luke. Shit, I'ma hold it down, yeah, but y'all already knew. Doing me, killing shit in the little money group. But nigga, and you know I'm finna do it right. We in the crib popping bottles with the crew at night. And just know that shorty put me through it like. Are you listening? I hope you blue at night. Yeah, man, these niggas couldn't hold us. Connection going red, short the sour that he showed us. We the fucking best, everybody already told us. Heartbreak flows, niggas acting like the old us. You ain't ready, nigga, all I do is domination. So you ain't shitting on me, nigga, constipation. We from the street, nigga, we can take the heat, nigga. It's Louis Baby going beast up on this beat, nigga. But ain't we true? And you niggas know the deal. And I do it cause I'm real. And I'm nothing less than ill. You are nothing less than fate. You a stupid nigga, hate. You be fiending for a rape. Get the hell up out my state, nigga. Did I kill it? Or I ain't kill it? That nigga's mad. John B. You already know, nigga.